cord. He's fine. She's cleaning him up.
I shouldn't have touched him as much as I did.
No, she's doing it. She's doing it all herself. And what do you mean touching him? I was the only one touching. Savage.
Is that her heart?
No, it's the umbilical cord.
¿Le dolió? ¿Le hizo algo malo?
No le dolió, no le está haciendo nada. Oh my gosh. You shut up. Go that way. You're in my air. You're in my hot air.
Which I need to figure out is how to get the AC in the back to work while this one is working in front. Or we could have a fairly...
The AC and the heater in the back is working.
No, what I'm saying is, which I need to figure out is how to make the AC in the back work while this in the front works with the pool.
All you have to do is switch it. That knob right there on the bottom.
We're here, guys. I know y'all hot. Gracie.